Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Wyatt Leitz with Leitz Farm Supply and Equipment Sales, bringing to you today our best-selling tractor, the Bad Boy 3026 HIL. So looking here at the 3026, this is going to be our best-selling tractor because it combines both functionality with size and capacity. So this bad boy is going to sit right in between the subcompact to the compact line. It's going to be just a touch larger than your average subcompact, but quite a bit smaller than your compact. This guy is going to feature a 26 horsepower Kubota motor. So this guy is going to be powered by a 24 horsepower Kubota diesel. One of the most simple motors that you can get out there on the market. Only a couple wires running to power the thing. You're going to have no DPF, no DEF, just a muffler. This tractor is going to be big enough to do a good amount of work, but small enough to where you can fit it anywhere on your property. Over there at the loader, you're going to have about 1,320 pounds of loader lift. In terms of transmission, you are going to have that 3-range hydrostatic transmission on these bad boys here. They're going to come with the linked pedal standard from the factory, which means the further you press down on that guy, the higher the RPM raises. It's going to be just like driving a car. So for a lot of first-time tractor owners, really something that's easy to get used to. There you go. You got your ranges, your mid and rear PTO, standard category 1 3-point in the back, turn signals, 4-wheel drive, 3-point raise and lower. You've got your hydraulic flow adjustment, your differential locker, as well as your parking brake. Forward and reverse, your brake, and then your engine clutch is going to be over there for engaging your PTO and for starting up the tractor. This loader here is going to be a quick disconnect loader. Just simply drop down that leg, pull the pin. Got four connections right here, really easy to get to. Obviously, in the modern world, we're going to be using a quick skid attach. So you can use a wide array of buckets, nice cast front end. You're also going to have nice cast iron axles on this guy too. Premium seat on all these bad boys. Let me go and fire it up here for you. Got to push in on that clutch. You got your fuel filter right there. Everything's extremely accessible on this guy. Hood closes right there. Fuel fill. You obviously got throttle, cruise control, 4 ways, as well as your headlight control right there. If you got any other questions or want another look at this unit, go ahead and give Leitz Farm Supply a quick watch and give a call, and we'll be able to help you out.